How to fix Eversoul not working or not opening problem. Hey guys, in this video we can talk about how can you fix the problem of Eversoul app or game not working or not opening, or maybe facing a black screen issue, screen stuck. So you need to just follow my some steps and your problem will be 100% fixed. First of all, you need to close your game and open your mobile phone settings. Then you can see here apps and managers, app manager, app and notification, application and apps, different option in different device. So you just need to click on here apps and notification or app manager. So when you click here, you can see your mobile's all application. It's also called app info. You just need to open your game or application where you facing the problem. Okay, so just click on here. For example, just it's a problem application. Click on here and you just need to clear data, or maybe clear storage, which option you have. So you need to clear data, app data. Okay, click on OK, and this is the first step. You just need to restart your phone, restart and then open your game, and you can see your problem will be fixed. But still, if you have facing problem, your problem not fixed, then your second step was open your mobile play store and just search here your soul, and you need to update your application. Just you need to update, and when you update it, your problem will be fixed. Just update it, but still not working, then check your internet connection. Third step was the important step was check your internet connection. You need to uh, turn off aeroplane mode or flight mode, offline mode, and then again mobile data, and then your problem will be fixed.